This month, we bring you a story of how the right collaboration makes a world of difference. Ivory & Beau is a unique boutique that combines wedding planning with bridal gowns. Owners Nicole Schwalge and Adriana McDermott joined forces to realize their dream of bringing unique bridal designs to the area. While many little girls dream of becoming the star of their own wedding day, Nicole and Adriana help bring those dreams to life. For these two, a visit to the Small Business Assistance Corporation helped them write their own amazing fairy tale.
Well, Nicole and I have both worked in bridal for quite a few years. We met working at David's Bridal. I actually ended up moving to a different bridal boutique and worked there, and then when that boutique closed, we kind of both came up with the idea, why don't we reopen it and kind of join forces. So with Nicole's experience in wedding planning and my experience working on the boutique side, we were really able to combine forces and kind of get everything going. When we opened Ivory & Beau, we really wanted it to be a creative experience. We didn't want it to be like a normal stuffy bridal boutique. We really wanted brides to be able to come in here and really try on dresses and have fun and have a good experience. A lot of our designers are handmade here in the U.S. We have a few local designers like Faith Thornburg, who's located out of Atlanta and was a SCAD graduate. So our goal is to really bring in all of this kind of smaller scale talent into a larger city like Savannah. And it's such a great community to be a part of. Everyone was really supportive. When we first opened, we had an opening party just for vendors, and pretty much everyone in the industry came out, and it was really great to see that many people were supporting this adventure for us.
When Adriana and I first got started, we met with SCORE, which is a small business counselor company downtown, and they advised us to go and meet with the SBAC. So we met with Stephen George, who helped us all the way from start to finish with our business plan and obtaining a loan. The SBAC and Stephen George then meets with a committee to present our business loan, and from there they find the right lenders that'll help back our business. The SBAC was awesome the whole way. Stephen George was very helpful for us and is still a great person. He comes by and checks in on us all the time, and we've actually recommended them to other small businesses in the area that are looking to get started.
The partnership produced a brand that combines the charm of Savannah with bridal fashion's most coveted designers, allowing every bride to have a unique and amazing experience. If you're looking for a small business loan, visit the SBAC and the Small Business Resource Center at 111 East Liberty Street, or check us out online at sbacsav.com. Nicole and Adriana found their perfect match with SBAC, and you can too. Reporting for the Small Business Assistance Corporation, I'm Leandria Michael.